What sinks and what floats? Let's test the density of Coke versus Diet Coke. Density is a physical property that helps us determine why objects float or sink. It's calculated using the formula, density equals mass divided by volume. What happens when you drop a can of Coke and a can of Diet Coke into water? One sinks, one floats. But why? Both cans have the same size, so their volume is the same, but their mass is different. Why? That's where sugar and artificial sweeteners come in. Since density depends on both mass and volume, the extra sugar makes Coke denser than water, while Diet Coke remains just light enough to float. Now that you know how density works, here's a challenge. What if you found a gold-colored penny? Could you use density to figure out if it's real gold? Try measuring its mass and volume, then calculate its density. Compare your results to the known density of gold. What do you think you'll find? Give it a try and put your density skills to the test.